What's up everybody, Tony here with High Tech Check, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Kovol Sprint 120 watt 4-port GaN desktop charger. You're probably asking, what is GaN technology? Well, it stands for gallium nitride, and it's the future of charging. It allows the charger to run cooler and have a smaller form factor while putting out the same amount of power. And this technology allows for the wall adapter to be smaller to put out the same amount of power, which is awesome. It also uses power technology that helps minimize signal noise and provide a more stable current that helps increase the life of your device. Now, I will be putting a link in the description in case you guys want to pick this up yourself. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products to do reviews for you guys. So the really cool thing about this particular charger is the fact that it has two USB-C ports that are both power delivery. Now you can get 100 watts out of one single USB Type-C. If you were to use both of them at the same time, it would just simply split the 120 watts. So now let's go ahead and see what you get inside the box. So here we get our power cable. Here's a thank you card, our manual, and here is our little charger. So that is pretty nice. It is surrounded by a matte finish with a glossy kind of face around it. I will tell you, it does have some substantial weight and it does not feel cheap at all. It feels really solid and sturdy, so I'm pretty excited to see what this little charger can do, especially for 120 watts. Now here for comparison is the brand new charger that comes with the MacBook Pro, and this is 140 watts. Now for size comparison, this only has one USB Type-C port. This one has 4 ports, 2 USB Type-A and 2 USB Type-C, and look at the size difference. Look at how much smaller this is compared to this one, and it only has that one port. So, and that's what I was talking about before with that GaN technology. It allows for a smaller form factor, but much more power. So now, like I said before, this is 120 watts total, but it only allows you to get 100 watts out of the USB Type-C at one time. If you were to use this to charge up 2 MacBooks, it would simply divide that by 2 because you can get 60 watts and 60 watts per, which would be 120. So let's go ahead and plug this in and see what it looks like here. So as you can see, it shows the 3 little green LEDs there to let you know that it is powered up. So I'll go ahead and plug something in here. Okay, so here I have my brand new 2021 MacBook Pro, and I have the MagSafe charger connected directly to the Kovol power unit. So I'll just go ahead and touch to the side. As you can see, it is charging. And then if we look at the top here, you can see the little battery with the charging symbol on it. As you can see, the battery is connected to the power source. Go to battery preferences. And we are at 57% charge, and it is charging. So as you can see, if you need to get a second charger for maybe on the go, you can pick this up for much cheaper than you can the actual Apple one, and you can charge up your MacBook Pro without any issues. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and load up all of these ports here just to show you that it can handle charging 4 devices at one time. The only thing you need to keep in mind is the USB Type-A ports, which are the square ports here, can do 18 watts max. The USB's Type-C's can do 100 watts. So your iPhone, say, can handle up to 20 watts of charging. So you're going to want to use the USB Type-C's. Anything less, you can use the USB Type-A. So I'm going to go ahead and plug in another USB Type-C here. And I'm going to go ahead and plug in my Android tablet here. So there you go. As you can see, it is charging the tablet. Then I'm going to go ahead and plug in another cable here, which is going to be into the USB Type-A's. This is going to charge up my Samsung Galaxy S21. Okay, so that is charging as well. And then my last phone, I'm going to charge up my iPhone 13 Pro Max using the 18-watt charging port. I'll go ahead and plug that in. And there you go. So it is charging all 4 ports all at the same time. As you can see, the MagSafe charger for the MacBook is charging, the tablet's charging, the Android phone is charging, and also my iPhone 13 Pro Max is charging. So this again can handle up to 4 devices, a total of 120 watts. Excellent. So now, just in a matter of probably 15 minutes since I first plugged this in, you can see it went from 57% all the way up to 71% within that short amount of time. So it definitely does a really good job of quick charging your MacBook Pro. Okay, so now we're going to do a test. I want to see how long it's going to take to charge up my MacBook Pro with the Kovol charger. I believe we are sitting at about 3% battery life. Go ahead and turn on the computer here just to find out. Actually, it's lower than that. As you can see, my battery is pretty much almost dead. So we're going to go ahead and charge it up. We'll see how long it takes to get from 0 to 80% and then on to 100%. Okay, so the computer is on now. As you can see, we're sitting at 2%. So I'm going to go ahead and leave this charging. We're going to see how long it takes to get from 2% to 80% and then on to 100%. And we are at 6:13 p.m. right now. Okay, so here we are at 7:17 p.m. and we just hit 80%. So about 50 minutes to go from almost dead to 80%. Not bad at all. And now if we look at the battery status of my MacBook Pro, as you can see, it says right here, 59 minutes until fully charged. So we have about another hour to go from 83% all the way up to 100. Now I also did plug in the charger that came with the MacBook Pro just to see if there was any difference in the charging times from 80 to 100%, and it was about 5 minutes. So it was 60 minutes using the Kovol and 54 minutes using the OEM charger that came with the MacBook Pro. So if you're going to charge up your MacBook Pro, this is what you can expect. Another really nice thing about this charger is it does have some safety measures built in, so you don't have to worry about it damaging your device, such as overcharge and over temperature protection. So you don't have to worry about your phone possibly catching fire or whatever while you're charging with this device. So everybody, I absolutely do really love this charger. Like I said, it does feel like a really premium piece of equipment. So if you guys again want to pick this up, I will be putting a link in the description. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products that do reviews to you guys. So if you don't want to spend a lot of money buying those OEM chargers, say from Apple or something like that, this is definitely going to be the much cheaper option, and it also offers you more versatility than just that one charger. So whether you have to charge a MacBook Pro that needs 100 watts, or if you just need to simply charge your phone, which uses 18 watts, this single charger will have you covered. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to let you guys know when I put out new videos. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.